In the vast and desolate landscapes of ice, nature holds secrets that have captivated and mystified humankind for centuries. In today's video, we embark in a thrilling journey through the frozen realms, where scientific trials and breathtaking discoveries have stunned the world and forever altered our understanding of history and the natural world. Are there undiscovered life forms frozen in the ice that could reshape our perception of extraterrestrial existence? Are there hidden chambers or underground lakes beneath the ice, holding untold mysteries that could rewrite our understanding of the world's geography? Get ready to be captivated as we unveil some astounding enigmas hidden in the ice. Watch till the end, and you won't be disappointed. Let's get started. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault. Now, first, let's take a look at the marvel buried in the depths in the Svalbard archipelago, where an icy fortress of hope stands tall. Far from Norway's shores, hidden under eternal permafrost and towering mountains, lies the frozen vault of life. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault, established back in 2008. Imagine a vault like no other, designed to hoard precious gems or gold, but to safeguard the very essence of life, our crops. Its mission? To prepare for the unimaginable, a global agricultural catastrophe that could threaten our food security. Imagine an underground labyrinth of vast chambers where over 1 million seed samples slumber, representing over 6,000 plant species from every corner of our planet. These precious seeds are not just left to chance. They're meticulously preserved at chilling temperature of 0.4 degrees Fahrenheit. It's like nature's time capsule, ensuring their long-term viability, so they remain ready to spring to life when the world needs them most. In the face of uncertainty, the icy sanctuary is a testament to human foresight and our unwavering commitment to preserving biodiversity. It's our insurance policy against the whims of nature and an assurance to future generations that we take their food security seriously. Next is a scientific mystery that will amaze you: the frozen toads of Alaska. These forest frogs have captivated biologists for their astounding ability to survive the most bone-chilling winters. As temperatures plummet, these resilient toads enter a state of suspended animation, with their hearts stopping and ice forming in their bodies. But when the temperature rises, these incredible toads stall, their hearts start beating again, and they jump back to life as if nothing happened. So what's their secret? It lies in a high glucose concentration in their organs and tissues, acting as a natural antifreeze, shielding their bodies from damage and death. Can studying these fascinating toads provide groundbreaking insights for organ preservation and transplant medicine? Imagine if their extraordinary abilities unlock revolutionary discoveries, bringing humanity one step closer to medical marvels. Deep beneath the icy veil of Antarctica lies a hidden gem, untouched for millions of years: Lake Vostok, buried under a staggering 4 kilometers of ice. This subglacial wonder is one of the largest lakes of its kind in the world, and its discovery in the 1990s marked a milestone in polar research. But despite being in one of the coldest places on Earth, Lake Vostok doesn't freeze. Why, you ask? It's all thanks to the pressure exerted by the massive ice sheet above it and the heat emanating from the Earth's fiery core, the hottest furnace on the planet. This lake, sealed away for 15 to 25 million years, holds secrets that could rival the mysteries of an alien world. But if there are living organisms within the lake, they must have adapted to the extreme cold, complete darkness, and immense pressure. It's a mirror image of the forbidding environments found on the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. But here's the catch: the expeditions to collect samples had to be meticulous to prevent contaminating this pristine ecosystem from the outside. Preserving its purity is vital in understanding its true significance and potential implications. Moving on to a new discovery: hidden beneath a thick Antarctic ice sheet lies a mysterious lake at the depth of 2,600 feet. For the longest time, this lake was considered a desolate, lifeless zone shrouded in icy silence. But in 2013, a group of intrepid scientists managed to breach through the icy barrier, and what they found left them astonished. Can you believe it? They stumbled upon a vibrant and thriving colony of microorganisms in the pitch-black darkness and freezing temperatures. It's like stumbling upon a hidden oasis in the middle of a frozen desert. These tiny beings are defying all odds, proving that life can flourish in even the most extreme and unforgiving conditions. But how do they do it, you ask? These resilient microbes possess an astounding survival strategy. Rather than relying on the typical sunlight or organic matter for energy, they've become experts at extracting life-sustaining nutrients from mineral-rich rocks. But the discovery of viable organisms thriving in such extreme conditions raises a profound question. What other hidden wonders might lie within the far reaches of the universe? Next, we have frozen bubbles. Concealed within the icy clutches of time lie numerous microscopic bubbles, a celestial time capsule preserving Earth's ancient atmosphere, just as it was thousands of years ago. Now imagine these tiny bubbles as minuscule storytellers, whispering secrets about our planet's climate history waiting to be unlocked. Yes, it's true. These captivating bubbles are most commonly found deep within the hearts of icebergs, drifting gracefully from the distant lands of Antarctica and Greenland. And guess what? They hold more than just air. They represent a treasure trove of invaluable information. Within each bubble, an ancient atmosphere sample from a bygone era resides. It's like time itself is trapped within these icy chambers, giving scientists a glimpse into the past. By analyzing the composition of these frozen air pockets, they can piece together the puzzle of greenhouse gas formation. Fascinating, right? The carbon dioxide and methane content within these bubbles allows experts to reconstruct the atmosphere's composition and uncover the climate conditions of that era. It's like turning back the clock on climate change research with a weather report that spans hundreds of thousands of years. Now, we have the breathtaking tale of the Pleistocene plants frozen in time. As we explore the icy depths, not only do we uncover the remains of ancient megafauna, but also a remarkable abundance of flora specimens from the Pleistocene period, an era that spanned an incredible 2.5 million years and ended around 12,000 years ago. In a remarkable discovery in 2012, Russian scientists stumbled upon a Siberian ice cube containing flowers of the Silene stenophila plant. Can you believe it? These delicate blooms are at least 32,000 years old and were found preserved in permafrost within a squirrel burrow from the glacial period. But here's the astonishing part. They were as fresh as if they'd been picked yesterday. Scientists have revived these ancient plants from cells, bringing back Earth's oldest regenerated plant material. These revived plants have undergone minimal evolution over thousands of years, showcasing their remarkable resilience in extreme conditions. They also serve as a valuable repository of information about prehistoric flora, shedding light on how these plants evolved and adapted during climate shifts. Then, we have the Yuka bison, a true symbol of the Siberian wilderness. In the remote Siberian community of Yuka, a remarkable discovery emerged, a stunning specimen from the Ice Age, frozen in time in 2011. Imagine stumbling upon a mummified bison, its soft tissues, fur, and even internal organs preserved to perfection in the ice. Steppe bison, also known as prairie bisons, roamed the earth a staggering 2 million to 800,000 years ago. They were giants, stronger and larger than their modern counterparts. And this exceptionally well-preserved Yuka bison grants scientists a rare opportunity to study an animal's physiology that vanished from our world thousands of years ago. From its final moments to its last meal, which remains preserved in its stomach, this incredible discovery offers a window into the environment of the ancient past. Imagine unraveling the secrets of food chains and ecosystem details from a creature that once roamed the earth long before humans. In the depths of Siberia's permafrost lies a prehistoric marvel, the Siberian mammoth. Is it an enormous hairy elephant or a hippopotamus, you might wonder? Well, it represents a species that vanished about 4,000 years ago, and its body was perfectly preserved in the ice, like a time capsule in a freezer. Meet Yuka, a mammoth that made headlines in 2010 when it was discovered by tusk hunters near the coast of the Laptev Sea. Her exceptional state of preservation astounded scientists. Her skin, hair, and even traces of blood were remarkably intact. It's like a journey back in time, offering an unprecedented glimpse into her life 39,000 years ago. Yuka's skin turned out to be pale pink, indicating she was in her teenage years during that time. But amidst the wonder, controversy arises. Paleontologists suggest she might have faced predators like lions or wolves in the icy continent. And what led to her untimely demise? A fall into a natural trap, crevice or hole, where she froze and remained preserved for thousands of years. From the captivating mysteries hidden in ice to the astonishing resilience of ancient creatures, these tales have left us in awe of our planet's secrets. Which of these frozen enigmas caught your attention the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.